What am I pulling off?
Eat it. That's what you're putting off. You have to eat it.
Oh no. Hey guys!
Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on?
What are you doing?
It's the new me. No, it's such a cool day. We have all these amazing superstars here with us. We have Bayley, we have Fox, and then we have these beauty guys over here. Look how much bigger I am than them.
Muscle.
We have EvanTube. Evan, hey, nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Jillian, it's a pleasure.
JillianTube. Hey, what's up?
cool.
What's up? What an exciting day we have today. We're gonna be playing the Weird Burger Taste Test Challenge. We're gonna take turns eating the burger blindfolded. We're gonna guess what the ingredients are.
Okay, so for every ingredient you get correct, you get a point. You might want to keep that burger in your mouth as long as possible, figure out all the ingredients.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started.
3, 2, 1, go!
I already know this is so good.
That's like waiting.
This is good.
That's a burger?
Okay. Okay.
You guys like it?
Okay, I think I have it. Okay, so we have a glazed donut bun, a classic glazed donut bun, a cookie. I'm just gonna say chocolate chip.
I tasted peppermint earlier. Maybe a peppermint cookie.
Not like an Oreo, but like a. I lost it. One of the cookies with the cream in it.
What? We're going down.
Take your blindfolds off.
Oh! Oh, that's what that was.
Oh, that's that. Oh, it is an Oreo.
This donut says buns, chocolate chip cookie, mint Oreo, red cookie, cherry syrup, and caramel syrup.
Okay, so you guys got 2, and they got 4.
What?
Oh,
I didn't
four.
3.
What? No way!
The Taste Master is in the house.
Oh, this looks good.
What is this? What am I pulling off?
Eat it. That's what you're putting off. You have to eat it.
Oh no, I know what that is.
Dude, Titus is enjoying it over there. Titus, you don't have to finish the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay, start guessing.
Rice, avocado, salmon, seaweed.
Fish, wasabi, sesame, seeds.
Maybe like a mayo or something, or like a spicy, I don't know, avocado. Oh yeah,
The
okay.
ingredients were rice, salmon, avocado, soy sauce, ginger, wasabi, seaweed, and sesame seed.
So the scores are 8, 8, and 7.
Such a good rice there.
7's my lucky number, so I'm not scared.
So this is gonna be our final round, so we're gonna pick the best person from each team to obviously go for this one. Brandy, you're gonna do us.
I just like to take a moment to acknowledge how in the zone Titus is. You see this, man?
I'm trying to win, man.
In the zone.
I'm not trying to get
Y'all playing
I'm
games.
win.
Oh, you're sticky.
You're sticky.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, that's good.
That ain't too bad.
Yeah, this is really good. You could take it apart also, keep in mind.
Okay. Okay. I have ideas.
Yeah.
Got some ideas. Wow,
Got
this
some
is
ideas?
really sticky.
Titus, you don't have to finish the whole thing.
Okay, you gotta start guessing.
Waffle, like a cinnamon maple waffle or something.
Waffle, pancake, bacon, egg, syrup.
Some type of molasses or I don't know what that is.
So the ingredients were waffles, brown pancake, sunny side up eggs, syrup, bacon, and Vegemite.
Vegemite! Yes! I knew it was Vegemite.
Oh my gosh! We got a tie.
Hey, we had so much fun with the WWE superstars, and everyone's on Monday Night Raw? That's the only place to go. Okay. This cool gentleman here is my friend EvanTube.
My friend is
JillianTube HD.
JillianTube HD. Check it out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's not all. Be sure to head over to EvanTube to see us run around like crazy people doing the top 5 YouTube challenges of 2017 in 5 minutes. And if you visit WWE's channel, you'll see all of us playing an unfortunate game of Hide the Gummy. Links are in the description below.
I'm Vitaly.
I'm Brandy.
We're Pocket Watch. Are you okay?
I'm sorry, I had to burp.